Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Ed wallet. This is an awesome minimalist wallet that can hold cards, cash, and coins. This wallet was successfully funded on Kickstarter on August 2017, which is really cool. Ed Charly did reach out to me asking if I wanted to check out his Ed wallet, but everything I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. I'll put a link to the Ed Charly website where you can purchase this wallet if you're interested. The Ed wallet currently comes in black Saffiano leather or in brown Crazy Horse leather. It's not the smallest minimalist wallet ever, but I think it's small and remains thin enough to be called a minimalist wallet. It measures in at 100mm by 80mm and it is aligned with RFID blocking fabric to protect you from identity theft, which is a great touch. This wallet can hold up to 4 cards, but there are 3 card slots. However, I carry 5 cards with this wallet and they can all fit in the 3 slots. I keep 2 cards each on the top and middle slot, and my debit card on the quick access slot on the bottom. I can access all of my cards very easily with no problem at all. I actually have a credit card knife on the top card slot, which is slightly more thicker than a standard card. To use the quick access card slot, just slide your thumb up on the cutout and take your card out. I'm very satisfied with the card slots, but if you carry more than 4 or 5 cards, this wallet may not be for you. To hold cash, you have a through slot that you can access either on the top or on the bottom of the wallet. All you have to do is squeeze around the top 2 or bottom 2 corners of the wallet, and the slot will open. I usually carry about 5 to 7 bills, but I believe it can hold a lot more with no problem. It's very easy to insert and remove cash, and the slot holds your cash very securely. I believe that it's almost impossible for the cash to fall out. The cash will only come out if you want it to. Last but not least, we have the coin pouch. I have not seen a minimalist wallet with a coin pouch until now. This is a genius design in my opinion because this wallet can hold cards, cash, and coins while staying relatively thin. The coin pouch has a snap button to keep the flap closed, and it has a kind of accordion design where it folds down flat when closed, but expands to make it easier to access your coins. When you drop your wallet, everything stays in its place very securely. I've dropped this wallet a couple of times and nothing has fallen out or opened up, which is great. On the other hand, I can access everything I need very quickly when I want to. The build quality is top notch. Even though I have overstuffed it, everything has held up perfectly. The stitching is great and the leather has stretched, but that's to be expected because it should mold over time to fit your everyday carry. Overall, the Ed wallet could be the perfect wallet for you, and I think that it's the perfect wallet for me. It holds just the right amount of cards for me, looks great, and I can still use cash and coins. For the price of about $40, I believe that this wallet is well worth it, and I highly recommend it. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. That was my review of the Ed wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!